And you know it's your boy Henry back with another video. And that's what I say, another day, another dollar. I know today we are start off with some Jamaican special callaloo.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Chef Black.
Yo, fire win. Yeah man bro, let's get right back in the video. As mother say, we out here. We are doing it, isn't it? So but they know we are going to prep up for the start the callaloo cause we like do we season them, so we are prep up with carrot, we are julienne with carrot as you can see right now. Be a wholly go natural season while preparing, especially when you prepare your callaloo. So my thing is that use onion, scallion, a little thyme. Yeah. And alright. It's not very often, but more time we'll use some cabbage to just bring up the color, get that, as mother say, get that nice eye appeal. Because as me you can tell on every video myself, people do it with an eye before, so we have to get that nice eye appeal. Right, what does that? Sweet pepper is optional, but the sweet pepper gives a lot of flavor. As I say, it's optional. Not many chefs will use it. As matter, you just like my thing them standard. As a Jamaican, we like when things standard. So keep it on. It's always try make a thing standard. So alright, for instance, what they are working on, we are production for it. Why you have to have a signature to your dish, as well, just a signature. Basically, that me mean. So if you usually go to callaloo, say you go to carrot, sorry, just keep on that mean your signature, so that you differentiate. Right, that my signature. So that differentiate your callaloo. I don't know why, no matter how I cook, I have to enjoy myself. Because key ingredient in every meal, I'm gonna stop say this, love. So if I not prepare this callaloo and I not prepare with love, it will cause a problem. Alright, let's start in the callaloo now. Then you go pour in the seasoning. Salt, as you see, salt and seasoning. Then you pour in your callaloo, put a little butter. Pinch a lot of peaches. Seasoning. To just add a Maggi and spray seasoning to taste. Then you go pour a little bit of water in your pot and cover it. And as you can see, the callaloo is finished. Now I'm gonna show you the finished product. That's the finished product. That's our Jamaican special callaloo, which can be eaten with fried dumpling and also eaten with your ground provision, banana, yam, etc. So until another smashing video, check your boy back again. Peace.
Remember